LEDYi Lighting, founded in 2011, specializes in LED lighting, including LED strips and neon. As a top supplier with strong R&D and strict quality control, it has gained trust in over 90 countries, notably in Europe. LEDYi's Shenzhen base spans 10,000 mm2 with a 300 patented and plus team. Daily, it outputs 25,000 millers of LED strips, 5,000 millers of neon flex, and 2,000 millers of COB strips, emphasizing quality and innovation. Our global reach spans Asia, Africa, the Americas, Europe, and Oceania, highlighting our strong commitment to diversity and service excellence. This broad presence establishes us firmly as a significant player on the international stage. Our Shenzhen production base is a testament to our scale and expertise, encompassing 6 floors with a total area of over 10,000 square meters. Each floor is dedicated to a specific part of the production process. Welcome to our product showroom, showcasing our top sellers: SMD and COB LED strips, LED neon flex, and flex LED wall washers and sheets. Each highlights our dedication to quality and innovation, crafted for our worldwide customers' diverse needs. Welcome to our integrating sphere and IES testing room, which ensuring accurate lighting tests. Welcome to our laboratory, over 500 milliliters with 34 plus advanced testing, setups for safety, EMC, photoelectric performance, IP resistance, aging, and reliability. We rigorously inspect LED strips, neon strips, linear lights, power supplies, and accessories, ensuring top safety, performance, and reliability, following strict standards from design to approval. Welcome to our COB LED strip workshop, where we mount chips directly onto PCBs, eliminating gold wires for enhanced stability and quality. COB LED strips are distinguished by their uniform light distribution, creating a seamless glow without visible dots. They boast a wide 180-degree light angle and superior flexibility, making them perfect for various lighting applications. In our SMT workshop, we operate 6 high-speed machines to swiftly meet our growing product demand. Our LED strip manufacturing begins with precise solder paste application, utilizing a precision-engineered steel mesh that guarantees even coverage on every FPCB. This crucial first step sets the foundation for quality. Next, the FPCBs move to our advanced SMT machines, where LED beads are placed with meticulous accuracy, ensuring each is perfectly aligned for optimal lighting performance. The journey continues as the FPCBs undergo reflow soldering. Here, a carefully calibrated blend of heat and time melts the solder, securing the LED beads firmly to the board. After soldering, the FPCBs advance to our inspection zone. In this final but critical stage, we deploy state-of-the-art testing equipment to light up and examine the entire length of the LED strips. Here's our sample production area, where we manually create certain samples instead of using SMT. Welcome to our soldering workshop, where precision and efficiency converge to serve a broad spectrum of orders. For high-volume needs, our state-of-the-art automated soldering machines significantly boost efficiency, ensuring we meet large-scale demands promptly. Conversely, when orders require a personal touch or deviate from the norm, our skilled technicians turn to manual soldering, guaranteeing each product receives individualized attention and unparalleled precision. Central to maintaining our exceptional quality standards, we meticulously cleanse the soldering zones on FPCBs after each operation. In our LED strip quality assurance workshop, we start by separating large FPCB sheets into 5-meter strips without cutting to protect the circuits. Each strip is then subjected to a shaking test to find any weak solder joints, ensuring reliability. After passing, we apply 3M double-sided tape to the FPCB, then carefully reel the strips onto plastic spools. The reels are placed in anti-static bags for added protection against electrostatic discharge. For shipping, 50 bags are packed in a cardboard box, ensuring safe and efficient transport. Our process includes full inspections with a 100% light-up test and color consistency check, guaranteeing each strip meets our high standards for functionality and color accuracy. Now we're in our LED strip waterproofing workshop. Here we transform standard IP20 non-waterproof LED strips into various waterproof ratings, like IP52 with silicone surface coating, IP65 using silicone sheaths, and IP67 with both silicone tubing and filling. We've equipped this workshop with automated dispensing machines, which significantly speed up our production process. Now we're in our silicone neon light production workshop, home to one of our flagship products and a focal point of our company's research and development efforts. Our silicone neon lights are distinguished by several key features. 1. We utilize high-quality Dow silicone, chosen for its superior light transmission and resistance to yellowing over time. 2. Our unique one-piece extrusion technique sets us apart from conventional methods, enabling continuous lengths that can exceed 50 meters or even 100 meters, providing unparalleled flexibility in design and installation. 3. The innovative tricolor extrusion process we employ makes the cutting window transparent, simplifying the task of finding the precise spot to cut, a clear advantage over the standard bright silicone extrusion. 4. A special dust-resistant coating on the silicone neon surface not only repels dust, but also enhances the tactile experience. 5. To prevent damage, the LED strips within our silicone neon are backed with a durable PET layer that resists breaks and bends. 6. Our selection includes various end caps and wiring options, such as silicone-wrapped, integrated silicone injection, solder-free caps with side, bottom, and end exit configurations. 7. The range we offer is extensive, from top bend, side bend, 3D bend, and 360. Available in single color, tunable color temperatures, RGB, RGBW, addressable, and digital version with sizes from the smallest 0408 mm up to 5025 mm. 8. We can personalize the silicone neon with your company's logo using our laser marking machines, adding a touch of brand identity. 9. With 6 automated production lines, we achieve a daily output of up to 10,000 meters. 10. Our dedicated R&D team, consisting of 10 seasoned professionals, is committed to OEM and ODM projects, offering rapid responses and introducing 1 to 3 new products each month. 11. Our products meet rigorous national and international standards, including ETL, CB, CE, and ROHS, ensuring they are recognized for their quality and safety worldwide. This silicone neon light production workshop encapsulates our dedication to delivering cutting-edge, reliable, and customizable lighting solutions, making our silicone neon lights a premier choice for a myriad of applications. In our warehouse, we store essential raw materials like LED beads and aluminum profiles. This organized space ensures our production remains efficient. Thank you for exploring our production line. We invite you to a future shaped by innovation and quality.